general definitions. For the purpose of these rules, except where the context otherwise requires A. The word vessels includes every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft and seaplanes used and capable of being used as means of transportation on water. B. The term power-driven vessels means any vessels propelled by machinery. C. The term sailing vessels means any vessels under sail provided that propelling machinery is filtered is not being used. D. The term vessels engaged in fishing means any vessels with nets, lines, straws, and other fishing apparatus which restricted maneuverability but does not include a vessels fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which does not restrict maneuverability. E. The word seaplanes include any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. F. The term vessels not under command means a vessel which through some exceptional circumstance is unable to maneuver as required by these rules and is therefore unable to keep out of the way another vessels. G. The term vessels restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which from nature of her work restricted on her ability to maneuver as required by these rules as therefore unable to keep out of the way of another. The term vessels restricted on their ability to maneuver should include but not limited for 1. Vessels engaged in laying, servicing, peak or peaking navigation, smart submarine, or pipeline. 2. Vessels engaged in rigging, surveying, and underwater operations. 3. Vessels engaged in replenishment of transferring persons, provisions, or cargo while underway. 4. Vessels engaged in the launching or recovery of aircraft. 5. Vessels engaged in the flowing in towing operations such as severely restricts in the towing vessels and her tow and their ability to deviate from their course. H. The term vessels contained by her draught means a power-driven vessels which because on her draught relations and available depth and the width of navigational water and severely restricted in her ability to deviate from the course she is following. I. The word underway means that a vessel is not an anchor or made fast on the shore or aground. G. The words length or breadth of a vessel mean her length overall and greatest breadth. Key vessel should be deemed to be in the sight of the one another only when one can be observed visually from the other. L. The term restricted visibility means any conditions in which visibility restricted by fog, means falling snow, heavy rainstorms, thunderstorm, or any other similar causes.